Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to install two TikTok apps on iPhone. First of all, open your App Store and install TikTok app, and then again open your App Store and search here copy app, and you have to install this app on your iPhone. Then tap on open, tap on this plus icon at the top right, scroll down and search for TikTok. Once you get it, tap on TikTok, tap on done at the top right, and give your second TikTok name. Tap on submit, and here you will get your second TikTok. So tap on that, tap on this profile icon to the bottom right, and from here you will be able to sign up or sign in into your TikTok account. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.